Here you go, guys. Next, we want to have the snapshot for the garment so you can share it later. Or simply save one more time. Simply press on Command or Control plus letter S here to save. So saving as a project, that is the file that you can go back and edit later if you want to. Or you can save it just a pattern. And for example, you want to sell it on Etsy, you have two options. You can save it as a garments file. I will show you how to do that. Or you can also save it as a pattern file. So garment file, you can upload and sell it onto Etsy because it's a smaller file, because I don't recall at the moment, but if the file gets really big, Etsy can't take it. So right here, we can sell this file for a, let's say, DXF, PDF. That's normally the file that I sell. So I also have a garments file. However, though, one thing to notice about, though, you can't sell the avatar because the avatar belongs to CLO, but you can sell your pattern all you want. So if you want to sell this as a project file, be sure to remove the avatar and then have project file, just your garment, not the avatar, okay? CLO does not allow you to sell the avatar. It belongs to CLO. All right, now we're going to first, let's get the snapshot of this. Before we're going to get a snapshot, though, we want to change a couple, like a pose here, because this pose right here is perfect for working, but for presenting your garment, it's not that great. Speaking about posing, in the CLO library, we can come over here to CLO and then go to avatar, and then we can select female and go to pose. So they only have several poses available here. If you go to CLO Connect, you have more poses that are available, and you can download it and then save it for later that you can bring in. Right now, I'm going to show you the one that's available in the CLO library for now. Simply click on this pose. That's what we want. And then by default, I have pose only, maintain avatar size. That's what we're going to select. And here, by default, we have full body and then maintain curl shoe pose, align bottom to ground, which is what we want. I'm going to click on OK. And if we look at over here, now the avatar changes the pose. It's not bad. Let's go in and then come down here. So if we look at over here, sometimes the avatar, instead of stand on the ground, she kind of floated above the ground. We are going to fix that. And this one looks like she's doing okay. But if happened to you that when you change the pose and here she's floating, what we can do here, click on the avatar, and then we want to select right click here and then come down to move all avatar and garment to either center or to the ground. We'll select to the ground because that's the most thing happen here. Since avatar here pretty much stick to the ground, we don't see the change that much right there. So it's pretty much stay the same, and that's okay. I'm going to press on number 2 here to see the front. So let's strengthen this garment a little bit because I want to right click and then select strengthen, and let simulate one more time here to see how the garment hang. And one more thing that I want to let unstrengthen here. One more thing that I want to show you. Since this is knit fabric, we want the neck here to more like kind of shrink right here, tighter than down here. To do that, we'll apply some elastic here. So to apply the elastic, we'll use this edit pattern tool. Click one right here, then press on shift, click one right here, and come over here to property editor, and we will find the elastic. So right here under selected line, come down here, you'll see elastic. You want to turn that on, then change that to 3, press return enter on the keyboard, and then ratio, change that to 97, press return enter on the keyboard. And now let's simulate. So right here, kind of get it's a little bit more snug here. One more thing that we can do here, but again, I would advise again it if you guys have the computer not super strong. So come down here, we see this res, so high res rendering. This high res rendering, if you click on this, it will have this high res property window pop-ups. It has the particle distance to 5, and by default we have tolerance to 5, and here skin offset collision is 0.1, which is the lowest. And if you click on OK here, let me show you. It will render to what considered to be like realistic, but because again my computer is small, it's gonna take a while to render this. So I'm going to simply stop that for now. I want to change it back to default rendering, okay? Because I do not want this to stop my computer from not working. Okay, so now something changes here. If I come over here and click on my pattern pieces and go to the property editor, and if you check the particle distance here and change to 5. So if somehow you did the high res rendering and then you forgot why your computer keep crashing, it's because you have to change your particle distance here to back to higher. So let me go back and change that to 10, and then press return enter on the keyboard. And I'm going to strengthen this and then simulate one more time. And then let unstrengthen.